928F went on the side. I'm hoping everybody's okay. I just pulled up to it and this is what it's looking like on the side of the road. Nobody's here, so hopefully they're okay. Ready to service the underbelly. Somebody's having a bad day. Cracked the windshield. Oh, I hate it when that happens. How are you? Everybody okay here when this happened?
I didn't really see what happened.
Really? Did it make a loud noise? You didn't hear it at all?
I was downstairs in the basement.
Oh.
When I came upstairs, I seen this and tipped over on me.
Wow, well hopefully the driver was okay. I don't see no blood.
Yeah.
Don't know.
I'm not surprised if they're going to need at least a 50-ton rotator for this.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun to tip it back up. Dang. Yeah, this will be a good little job to pick it back up. I think I know whose it is. I should probably call them and check in. What do you think? I don't know, lost it behind the wheel maybe. One side off and going too fast. I don't know.
It seems that it looks like this axle tire right here looks a little bit bent. Looks like.
Ah, these old cats are tough.